What is going on? If you own a power washing business and you are trying to grow and scale it, then you are in the right place. Today, I actually have a video for you that I made. It's very unprofessional. I was just walking. I'm from the Midwest, so I was helping the family farm operation of harvesting corn, and I had something on my mind, so I made a quick video about it. It's very, like I said, unprofessional. I'm just walking, but I do think it's super valuable, so I did want to share that with you. So yeah, without further ado, let's jump into it.
What is going on? I wanted to make a quick video just because I was reminded of it, and I've been going down some deep rabbit holes with the psychology behind marketing, and I think that's something that a lot of small business owners, especially, you know, like power washing specifically, just don't quite know about. And a lot of times, and I mean, I did this early on in my company, you know, you'll put components in an ad or in a marketing campaign because you know you're supposed to, but you don't necessarily know why, right? And that's something that I did a lot early on. And then I have just continually learned more and more about why those components are actually effective when put into a marketing campaign. And the one I want to talk about, I've got a quick story about it, is the power of like association, right? And it's kind of like branding, very similar, pretty much the same concept actually. But there was this company that was a service company. It didn't offer power washing necessarily, but they did home service stuff, and they'd been around for a while. But what they did, which was really smart looking back on it, is they used like authority figures in the local area and associated themselves with them. And the way they did that is they actually did a lot of radio ads, which, to my knowledge, that company mainly thrived off of just radio ads. I don't know that they were running, I think they were running some other methods, but their main method of acquiring customers was definitely radio ads. And I think, you know, it was just really powerful what they did, because they would take these well-known public figures, they were well-known locally, right? And they would basically have them get on the radio ad and talk about their experience with this company. So to the people listening in the local area that knew these, you know, local miniature authority figures, if you will, it was really powerful, because the potential clients were like, oh, he uses that company. If I have that issue, I'll probably use that company too. And, you know, it's something that, again, it's a very simple concept, but understanding the purpose behind it and why it works, I think, is really powerful. So just wanted to share that really quick. Like I said, with small power washing companies especially, there's a lot of times that, you know, you see people ask what marketing method works best, and it's just not the right question. You know, you can make it work on radio ads, you can make it work on billboard. There's so many ways to do it. It's more so what you're actually doing with that method, or how you're doing it, right? So again, just want to make this quick video for that. Do hope it was super helpful. Please, you know, let me know if you have any suggestions for videos in the comments. If you have questions or whatever, I'd be happy to answer those.
All right, so that was the video. I do hope it was super helpful. Again, my whole goal with this channel is just to provide value to you. You know, after growing a business, a power washing business myself, and eventually selling it, and talking to hundreds, probably thousands of power washing business owners to this point, I've learned a few things as far as, you know, what works, what doesn't, and things like that. And my whole goal of this channel is to help you go faster and grow your business. So if you are getting value, please do subscribe. It does help, so we can get this message out to more people trying to grow their power washing business. And other than that, if you want, go ahead and check below. We've got some free stuff down there for you in the links. And yeah, we'll see you in the next one.